Hey YouTube, Mike here. How we all doing? Well, we're behind our new GoPro Hero 9 and I'm testing it out. This is something I want to leave on my truck for when I'm doing videos at work for Renee. And I said, hey, let's try this out here at Mike's Wood Shop. So, all right, I've been working on the shop. I've been cleaning it up and I've been mounting stuff. So here is I'll get to this, but I removed all the RC cars and turned this Husky bench into my leather workstation, and I'll show you that in a second. Well, I got the small Viewtainer thing mounted where I have all of my from 6-inch to 1-inch, 5/16 or 1/4-inch bolts. I threw some zip ties for my wife that does her wreath making in here. Here's my stitching pony, which you've seen build, but then I built this other one that actually angles. Then over there, we'll go around over here. I got rid of a ton of wood, got the wood rack assorted. I built my wife this, this is an uncoiler, so it lifts up, rods go through, she can uncoil her deco mesh. I built my wife this easel so she can hang her wreaths on as she's working on them. She keeps it stored over here. My new Sustainer, one of the Sustainer toolboxes, screwdriver holder, and then this did not come in when I ordered it. I actually found these at the Home Depot. The 3-drawer Milwaukee. It's a little pain in the neck. No, it stores under here, and then we have the drawers. I actually ordered the Kaizen foam months ago because I expected mine to come in, but I found it at the Home Depot. 2 of them. And in here is my new other Viewtainer order that I got. Look at the size of these things. Yeah, I got even bigger monster ones. And I'm going to be building another Viewtainer holder for these big ones in one day or two. Then got a RAB order. I think I showed this. My small glue bottle holder. Then my large glue bottle holder. And my water bottle holder. I'll get into this. I'm going to do a review on this, but I'll show you quick. Then this, I actually asked Chris from RAB. I sent him a drawing because I was going to build this out of wood, but it's a air chock holder. Then he made me, which is something else we worked with, to hold the actual air chock. But if you wanted to, you could, as you work, leave this in there, and it works really well. Then their new fence system. So 3 dog fences and a shorter dog fence. Where is it? I think I have it here. You see, here's the longer dog fence, and here is the shorter one. See how much shorter it is? Well, what that does is it compensates for the... My chair is in the way. This compensates for the kerf. This damn chair. Let's see. Move this. You would put in... Let's see, where is it? Put in that one. You put in that there, like that. I was messing around. You see here, and now you have, well, I have this on, but as you can see, it allows for the blade, so it extends the fence. So I replaced the Festool fence with this, but now I'm going to be moving this back and using this as the fence, and you can continue on, and now you have a nice perfect straight edge for your wood. Again, RAB, phenomenal. Now let me show you this. Let me just put this down. Let me grab a piece of wood here. I gotta remove this. Put the piece of wood in here. Let's see, what would be better? Be better over here? Again, give me a second here. There we go. All right, you can get the idea. So, this is a Domino Stop. So it's for vertically plunging your domino machine. You have a center piece here that actually you can see you have a center mark. So that is your center line. You have your straight line that you would draw down here. This board could be 4 feet long, so you want a shelf every, say, 12 inches. You just move the board down, and then you put this in and get your hose. Turn your machine on. This GoPro is so small, I'm afraid I'm going to hit it. And then there is your 3 holes. I already futzed with it on this side. But there's your 1, 2, 3, perfectly spaced. And you would have your center line down here. And of course you would move your board up and down wherever you would want it. But that is so... I mean, this alone is well worth its weight in gold. Now, like I said, let me just make this up here. Hello, YouTube. Again, none of this product is given to me. I buy it. I love their product. Then I mounted my, look at that, I go from one tangent to the other. I got my edge banding and stuff, my tape. I gotta redo these clamps, maybe come out a little bit, get me more room, but I got my shaper up there. And then I got all of my new sustainers. I got one specific for my wife, a glue pot, glue sticks, and her silicone mats. I made her a hot glue rest. She could put her glue sticks in there. Little silicone when it drips. It fits actually I bought her a Sure Bond, but it doesn't work that good. So I let her use the DeWalt one over there. I let her use my DeWalt glue gun. What else did I do? I just kind of, you know, she comes out here and works. She comes out here and works with me. I do some woodwork. She works on the MFT table. That's her little tarp over there, and that's her cutting mat. She uses the table, the DeWalt table. But yeah, this is my leatherworking station here. I got this, my stamps, all my punches, knives, my bevelers, my scratch awl, and my stitching burnishes. This is a burnisher and a sander. So turn it on. Sand this side, burnish. So you just take your leather and you do this. This is something I was messing around with. A little flap thing. Stitch scissors. My mallards. I have another light. I got this light if I want a little extra light. Granite block I got from one of my cabinet guys. You need a nice solid flat surface to hit on. This here is for chisels, so you don't dull your chisels. This is, I got 2 different rubber beading mats. When you're beating in like something, a rivet that's fancy, or a rosette or something, this is what soaks my leather. I have leather, contact cement. This burnishes the end. This seals the leather. Punches, my chisels. So when you're stitching, you're gonna put your chisel in there like that on a nice straight line that you make with your caliper or with this edge cutting tool, and you just get it on the line and you hit it with your mallet, and you keep going down, having the one in the hole that you already made, so your spacing is perfect on that. Then I did some let's see, I did some wet molding. You see here, your wet mold, like thin, it's too thin of a piece of lead. Hole punches, sanders, and then curve. This is for curve pieces. This is that what cuts out the oval piece on your belt where the clip goes through. I still have some RCs. This is another one here. This is stampers. You kind of you make decorations on the lead. I mean on the leather. Listen to me as a plumber. Then I got some pieces of lead. Listen to me, leather! For edging, I got, these are scaving knives. I did these sheets just to protect the tip. Rollers. Then I took a strapping, the leather, made a piece of wood, and then I got the strapping to, you know, put a little quick edge on a piece of leather. And then this is the compound for it. I got wax for the thread. I have they're bone folders to fold the lead. Okay, I gotta stop being a plumber. Leather. This is actually bone. So this is actually a bone folder. It's made out of bone. Those are plastic. Different hole punches. This stuff here, you dip it in the dye, you run it along the edge of the leather, it spins, gives it a nice little texture. I'm not in focus, but I hope this comes out good, because I want to use this GoPro for my, that's about it. My next project, well, I'm building a large Viewtainer holder, and then I'm going to start on the table. So I think I cleaned up the wall over here. This is a PIX machine. It actually takes these pieces here. Here's a box of them. This is puts a end on a piece of floral. So these are PIX. If I can get one out. There's like, I don't know, a couple of hundred to a box here. There we go. So these are PIX. And what this machine does is it crimps on, so you push it forward and it puts a pick in here. You put your floral stem, then you push backwards on this handle, and it crimps this metal piece on. You can see it on the front here, crimps it on. And then you put hot glue on it, and you stick it into the wreath frame. So, it's a work in progress. Well, hopefully, you know, a little at a time I work here. All right, YouTube. I'm not going to bore you anymore with the tour. Oh yeah, put a shelf up there for the pocket hole. Got it off that. Like I said, I wanted to get the shaper out of there, and I wanted to get this aisle opened. So, and then more RAB, as you guys see in the video. My GRS 16 holder, which I use all the time. Now I don't have to keep it on a rail. My element holder, my dog park and clamp rack, and now this is all clear. You can walk right down like a gentleman or a lady. So, okay, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one when I'm going to do a full demo and show of RAB's new product. Alrighty. Alright, again, thank you for all of your subscribes, your likes, your comments. I'm in the light. Maybe I'm not here. No, I am in the light somewhere. Okay, they will be in the description below. If you want RAB, you got a 15% discount on 3 items or more. The website and place to buy will be in the description below. My email, if you want a Mike Switch Up sticker. I know I'm wearing the Renai Guy shirt. Or if you'd like to ask a question, just shoot me an email. Okay, YouTube? You all be safe out there. You won't see me this close anymore. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye now. Now I got to figure out how to shut this off.